Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here today with Dan Reuter, Technical Specialist with U-POL. Today's video will be the first of a 5-part series which covers the Raptor Protective Coatings system by U-POL. Dan, tell me a little bit about your products.
Hi Jason. As you can see, U-POL offers a full system of Raptor Protective Coatings that are available in national rule and low-VOC formulations. Raptor is the market-leading, tough, durable 2K coating to use as a truck bed liner or a full exterior protective coating that you can tint almost any color. It's resistant to diesel, hydraulic oils, acids, animal urines. It's highly UV resistant to the sun, so it's not going to fade. It's possible to create multiple finishes, whether it's going to be smooth or heavily textured. And Raptor provides superior protection and is used across multiple industries, including automotive, commercial, agricultural, and the construction machinery.
Wow, Dan, that's amazing. Tell me about the preparation products that are part of the Raptor system.
As far as the products go, on the preparation side, we have a gray epoxy primer that's available in both 1 liter and 5 liter kits. That's great for large exposed surfaces like on the back of a bed. A 2K epoxy aerosol and an acid etch primer for the smaller exposed surfaces. A 1K adhesion promoter, which is recommended for flexible plastics and hard to sand areas. In today's segment, we're going to be largely focusing on preparation, protection, and accessories, and we'll cover additives in another segment.
Dan, I'm really excited to see that. Can you please tell me a little bit more about some of these products?
Sure. These are our Raptor kits that we have available. They're in black, white, and tintable. To apply Raptor from our liter or gallon kits, customers can pick from our gun accessory line that includes our 726 Schutz gun or our 4880 Vari-Nozzle gun, which offers greater atomizations and textures. Like the epoxy primer aerosol, our Raptor Protective Coating is also available in a convenient 2K aerosol, which we have in 7 different colors. In case a Raptor does get cracked or damaged, which is pretty tough to do, it can easily be repaired with the 2K aerosol. The 2K aerosol features the same protective features as our kits, and will be covered in another segment.
Great, Dan. Well, what are we going to demonstrate today?
Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply our 2K UPO 820 Raptor Black bed liner, which is our most common bed liner.
Awesome. Well, I'm super excited. Let's head to the booth.
Let's do it. Jason, the first thing you should know about Raptor is that it bonds to any prepared substrate. So to begin with, I'm going to degrease the panel with UP 2002. Then I'm going to scuff the panel with 180 grit sandpaper. Next, I'll degrease it again using the UP 2002. Then allow the surface to flash for approximately 5 minutes. While it's flashing, you can shake up the can of UP 5023 Edge Primer Aerosol. You should do this for at least 2 minutes. Once it's flashed, apply the 2 coats approximately 10 inches from the surface and allow 3 to 5 minutes of flash time in between coats. While the final coat is flashing, which could take approximately 10 to 20 minutes, then you can mix up your Raptor UP0 820. With the measuring cup supplied in your Raptor kit, fill the Raptor coating bottle to 237 milliliters or 8 ounces of hardener. Then replace the cap and shake the contents vigorously for at least 2 minutes. Screw the UP 4880 Vari gun directly onto the Raptor bottle. Then you're ready to spray Raptor directly from the bottle.
Dan, I want to thank you for joining us today. Why don't you summarize what we covered today?
Well, Raptor features an industry-leading adhesion and UV resistance. It's extremely durable, scratch and stain resistant. It is really easy to apply. Just fill, shake, and shoot. Raptor gives a personalized look to any vehicle. You can tint Raptor any color under the sun. You can apply Raptor in a fine or coarse texture depending on your requirements. In case it does crack, which it's really tough to do, it can be easily repaired with a 2K aerosol and a spray gun. Its highly flexible formulation can handle multiple impacts without cracking, so it's perfect for a bed liner. Even though today's segment showed how the Raptor can be sprayed, Raptor can also be rolled, depending on your application preference. Raptor is compliant for use across North America, both national rule and low VOC formulations. The last important point I want to make, Raptor can be an extra income for your business, so it's easy to make money with it.
Dan, thanks again for a great presentation. Where can people go for more information on Raptor products?
They can go to raptorcoatings.com, and you can learn how to soon become a certified Raptor Application Center, offering automotive, bedliner, and other customizations.
Thanks again, Dan. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.